modern research and evidence from the Quran and Sunnah prove that our emotional health is equally as important as our physical health, and also proves that our emotional health affects us physically. And inshallah today, I would like to share with you 10 ways that we can foster the emotional health in our loved ones, but especially in our children, because that's what I was asked to address today. Bismillah. So number one, and it's always going to be a number one on my list, and that is to seek help from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So yesterday during my session, we talked about communication, and my number one was to seek help from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that to ask Allah for everything, even if your shoelace breaks, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for a new one. Even if you want salt for your food, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you know, dealing with our emotions is a difficult task because we can't see them. And so the Prophet ﷺ taught us the beautiful dua that we should say when things are difficult, which is Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'al al-hazna idha shi'ta sahla. Right? Oh Allah, there is no ease except that which you make easy. And that which you made easy will become easy if you wish. So make my affairs easy. Now, there is a beautiful dua that the Prophet ﷺ used to recite every morning and every single evening. And it's a dua that he taught us, a supplication that he taught us to say every morning and every evening. And it has to do with our emotional health. The Prophet ﷺ used to say every morning and every evening, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-hammi wal-hazan, wa a'udhu bika min al-ajzi wal-kasal, wa a'udhu bika min al-jubni wal-bukhl, wa a'udhu bika min ghalabat ad-dain wa qahr al-rijal. Oh Allah, I seek refuge in you from anxiety. What's anxiety? Nervousness, but what is that? Emotional, right? Anxiety and sorrow. And what's sorrow? It's an emotion. So the Prophet ﷺ used to ask Allah every morning and every evening to help him with his emotional health. He would seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from anxiety, which is one of the greatest disorders, mental disorders that we have today, and sorrow, which is like depression, another one of the greatest mental disorders we have today. And that's something that inshallah we should be asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for every morning and every evening, and teaching our children as well.